The Greatest Collection of Motivations by SUZE ORMAN. Believing you are worthy of love means that you believe I deserve to be treated well, with respect and dignity. I deserve to be cherished and adored by someone. I am worthy of an intimate and fulfilling relationship. Writing is hard work, not magic. It begins with deciding why you are writing and whom you are writing for. What is your intent? What do you want to get out of it? It's also about making a serious time commitment and getting the project done. Remember to remember your power, everything you've learned with these steps to financial freedom, and put it all into practice every day, because in the grand scheme of life, you'll never really know how things are meant to turn out until they turn. True generosity is an offering, given freely and out of pure love. No strings attached. No expectations. Time and love are the most valuable possession you can share. In all realms of life, it takes courage to stretch your limits, express your power, and fulfill your potential. It's no different in the financial realm. I have always said that if you undervalue what you do, the world undervalues who you are. And when you undervalue who you are, the world undervalues what you do. My experience is that women are, unfortunately, masters at both. How we behave toward our money, how we treat our money, speaks volumes about how we perceive and value ourselves. If we aren't powerful with money, we aren't powerful, period. We have to develop a healthy, honest relationship with our money. And we have to see this relationship as a reflection of our relationship with ourselves. Building a great career for yourself rather than settling for a job that does nothing for you but pay the bills. You want your diversified stock portfolio to include stocks from different industries, large companies, small companies, companies here in the United States, foreign companies, new companies, and old companies.
Terima kasih sudah menonton, dukung terus channel ini dengan cara subscribe, like, share, komen dan nyalakan notifikasi untuk mendapatkan update video terbaru setiap harinya.